In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Monday.com password, offering you a comprehensive guide to get back into your account without any fuss. So, whether you've simply forgotten your password or need to create a new one for security reasons, follow along as we walk through the complete process. Let's begin. To start with, you'll need to navigate to the Monday.com website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the login option. If you're on a mobile device, this might appear differently as a menu icon, so be sure to locate the login area. Once you're on the login page, find the Forgot Your Password link, which is situated just under the email and password fields. Clicking on this link will initiate the password recovery process. Next, a new screen will prompt you to enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. Precision is key here, so make sure you type in the exact email address you've registered. After entering your email, go ahead and click on Reset Password. This will trigger Monday.com to send a password reset link directly to your email inbox. Now it's time to check your email. Open your email app or website and be on the lookout for an email from Monday.com. Be sure to check your spam or promotions folders as well, just in case the email didn't land directly in your primary inbox. Once you locate the email, open it up and click on the Reset Password button provided within. This link is uniquely generated for your account, so clicking it will guide you to a page where you can enter your new password. Creating a strong password is crucial for security. Enter a new password that is at least 8 characters long and consider a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to strengthen it. Once you've decided on a new password, confirm it by typing it again in the adjacent field. This step ensures that you've inputted your desired password accurately. Finally, to save these changes, go ahead and click on Save or Reset Password. Once that's completed, you'll want to return to the Monday.com login page. Here you can enter your email along with your new password to log back into your account, and just like that, you've regained access to your account with a refreshed and secure password. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're back on track with Monday.com, ready to manage your tasks with confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might also need a bit of guidance. Happy organizing!